Welcome to our Spanish patio. Today, 3 essential tools for your gardening. Okay, so say these are the 3 essential tools. Yeah, so I, as a new gardener, I don't know anything. With these 3 tools, I can pretty much do anything with potted plants.
Yeah, house plants, or if you got a patio and you got potted plants. Obviously, if you got a big field, then you might need like a tractor or something. But
Okay, makes sense.
number 1, a little spade. It's got a posh name which I can't remember.
Spoony thing.
Spoony thing. This is what you want. That's number 1. Obvious reasons. Dig stuff up. 2, shears. Deadhead and flowers.
Cutty things.
Pruning your plants. Very useful. You don't really want to be using your kitchen scissors. A bit meng. Number 2. Number 3.
Screwdriver.
No. Moisture meter. Now this is probably not something you're going to see in many people's lists, and you could disagree with me. This is how you figure out when to water your plants. It's really straightforward. You just stick it in the soil like so, and it will tell you whether it's dry, moist, or wet. Most plants, you water it when they go towards the dry side. You don't ever want the plant to be wet, so you definitely don't want to water a plant when it is wet. This saves you sticking your finger in soil over the house, and it's just a bit of a mess. Why not? Easy. It's less than a tenner from Amazon. Go for it.
I have to admit, I use the finger method because I've never even heard of one of those until 10 minutes ago. So they're cheap to buy? 10?
Yeah, 6-7 euros from Amazon.
No idea
Why
that
not?
existed.
Why be sticking your finger in soil if you don't have to? And it's not very accurate, is it? Like, oh, is that wet or moist? Just trust me. The number 1 reason for killing your houseplants is overwatering. This will stop you doing that. If I had to do with just one of these 3, I would choose this one again.
The one I don't have,
this is a tricky one. This is a tricky bit. This really, plant, use your hands. This, you can use scissors. This stuff, just quick, boom, doesn't need water, boom, doesn't need water. Psh, this.
So there you have it. 3 tools, no more. No excuses. Let's get gardening.